Welcome to calling back showroom traffic using the one thing. Here's a rock-solid, road-tested way to pull your unsold traffic back onto the blacktop and turn way more of them into straight-up done deals.
Hello, my name is Greg Nelson. I worked in automotive sales for 20 years, 13 years for a dealership just outside of Seattle called Michael's Toyota Bellevue. At the time, they were the largest volume Toyota dealership in Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, and Alaska. The past 5 years, I was with them. I managed the business development center. Probably 80% of my role was calling back showroom traffic. Our biggest month while I was there, I think, was 724 units. I used the one thing sheet religiously with every follow-up call I made. And I made around 40 to 50 calls each day, 5 days a week for 5 years. I actually used it longer than that because I used it as a sales representative before I got into the BDC.
Make sure you have a one thing guide in front of you for every call. Fill it in so you sound sharp. This is where you become a professional by building value. Contract for time, identify yourself confidently, and hit that purpose statement with value. This is the meat and potatoes of the deal. Step 7 keeps you in control. Just read it. Step 8 tests commitment and builds value. Step 9 is the money question, the one thing holding them back. If it's the vehicle, step 10 finds what they'd change. If it's the money, step 11 shows exactly where the numbers don't fit. And step 12, agree, acknowledge, transition, and get that return appointment. Powerful words close deals.
The number one objection, that I found is, first of all, the first objection is always a fake objection. So they either don't want to hurt your feelings, or the customer was told not to divulge any information to you, the sales representative. So it's important to have your customer know that you're there to sincerely help them get into their car, truck, van, SUV, whatever.
Don't buy into the customer's first objection. Let them know you're here to help. You got the right vehicle, you've got the right dealership, and you're the right person. Stick to the playbook and run all 12 steps of your one thing guide. And whatever you do, don't quit before the miracle. And the miracle in this case is the return appointment. Trust the process and AAT the money objection using the word tracks at the bottom of the one thing guide.
But the real objection almost always, every single time, is the money. But it's also important to know that the money doesn't necessarily mean discount. Okay, it could be as simple as moving from a 60 to a 72-month loan, or here's one going from a 60 to a 66-month loan. And many people don't know that could be done. Or if the dollar amount is too wide, you just flip it to a lease.
If it's the monthly payment, we can fix it. If it's the down, we can flex it. Price or trade, we can adjust it. Set the appointment. Use the one thing guide and crush the call. When you change your words, you'll change your income.
So as you can see, as a salesperson, we just need to keep asking the right questions to uncover the real objection.